How to make a honey and oatmeal face mask. Do you suffer from dry, sensitive skin? What you need: 3 tablespoons ground oats, 1 tablespoon hot water, 1 tablespoon honey. Take a mixing bowl. Make sure your oats are finely ground. Measure out 3 tablespoons of oats and place them into the bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of very hot water. Let the mixture cool a little. Take 1 tablespoon 14.8 ml of honey and mix. Wash your face with your usual facial cleanser and water. Lightly pat your face dry with a clean towel. Apply the mask to your face and leave it for 10-15 minutes. Rinse the mask off. Pat dry your face with clean towel. Once your face is clean, follow up with your usual skincare regime. If you don't have a skincare regime, then you can consider applying some toner and moisturizer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more how to make videos.